What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I had a request to do a cake topper. I'm not going to say what it is right now, but can anyone tell? Let's let this print and we will find out soon. Alright, so here's what I printed. This was a request from a friend of mine that is making a cake. I got it off of Thingiverse. It's the Gryffindor sorting hat. I think it's Gryffindor, right? I don't know a whole lot about Harry Potter, but it turned out really awesome. It's going to be wrapped in chocolate. It's not going to be, the chocolate's not going to be eaten. It's going to be a cake topper for a birthday. So I'm really happy with the results. It took 3 hours to print. I did 5% infill and 4 walls, and it turned out awesome. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for checking out this video, and I will catch you on the next one.